Welcome to MathQuence channel. Today we are going to see 30th question. The 30th question is perimeter of two similar triangles are 25 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 9 centimeter, find the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. Okay. So answer for this question, here two similar triangles are given. Okay. Let ABC and DEF are two similar triangles. Okay. The perimeter of this triangle is ABC is 25 centimeter and the perimeter of DEF is 15 centimeter. And one side, that is AB, is 9 centimeter of length, and find the length of the corresponding side of AB. Okay, corresponding side of AB is DE, that is X. Okay, we need to find out this value. So to find out the corresponding side X value, we can able to write, if this is a similar triangle, we can write AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD. Okay, so that is a side AB divided by side DE is equal to side BC by side EF is equal to side CA is divided by side DF or FD. Okay, then we know AB value is 9 centimeter. Okay, and DE is X centimeter. So therefore we can substitute the values. Okay, 9 by X is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD. To keep this as equation A. Okay, but we know the perimeter of the first ABC triangle is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, so AB is nothing but 9 centimeter. Okay, so you substitute 9 here, and then you take 9 and CA to the other side of the equation. Okay, so BC is equal to 25 minus 9 minus CA. You will get 25 minus 9 is nothing but 16. 16 minus CA. Okay, and for the triangle DEF, the perimeter is 15. Okay, DE plus EF plus FD is equal to 15. You know DE is X. Okay, you substitute X plus EF plus FD is equal to 15 centimeter. Then you take X FD to the other side of the equation. Therefore, you will get EF is equal to 15 minus X minus FD. Okay, then you consider only, in this equation, you consider only this part. 9 by X is equal to BC by EF. Then cross multiply, you will get 9 EF is equal to X into BC. But EF we know from this equation. EF you know and BC you know. You substitute here. Okay, so if you substitute, you will get this equation, this step, and you multiply 9 with these terms, 3 terms, then you will get 135 minus 9x minus 9FD. You multiply x with this terms, then 16x minus x into CA you will get. Okay, but x into CA is nothing but 9FD. Okay, this is from the equation. Okay, from, if you equate 9 by x with the CA by FD, then you will get 9 FD is equal to x into CA. Therefore, x into CA is 9 FD. You substitute instead of x CA 9 FD. Okay, and both side of the terms are equal. Therefore, you can cancel. Okay, then you take 16x to the other side. Okay, minus 25x you will get, and you take a 135 to the other side, so minus 135. Then x is equal to minus 135 divided by minus 25, that is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Therefore, we have found the x value as 5.4 centimeter. So, the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle is 5.4 centimeter. This is the answer for this question. Next, 30th question, optional question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay, ABC is an equilateral triangle of equal sides. Okay, say this equal side as X. Okay, and D is a point which divides BC such that BD is equal to X by 3. That is 1 by 3 BC. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. BC is X. Therefore, this length is X by 3. And to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, you take the midpoint of BC. Okay. The midpoint of BC divides BC into two equal halves. Therefore, the length BM is X by 2. The length BD is X by 3. Therefore, the length DM is X by 6. If you subtract X by 3 from X by 2, then you will get X by 6. So, you take a small right angle triangle AMD. Okay. In this right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, we know that the hypotenuse square AD square is equal to side square, sum of side square, DM square plus AM square. Okay, so AM square plus DM square. AM square you keep as it is in this step, plus DM is nothing but X by 6. So X square by 36. Okay, then AM square is nothing but you take a right angle triangle AMB. So from this AM square we can calculate using Pythagoras theorem AB square hypotenuse square minus BM square. So AB square minus BM square plus X square by 36. X square minus BM square, AB square is X square, BM square is X by 2 square. So X by 2 square is X square by 4 plus X square by 36. You take 36 as LCM, and after simplifying you will get 7X square by 9. Okay, so at last we are getting AD square is equal to 7AB square by 9. Okay, since X is nothing but AB. Okay, so you substitute AD square, instead of X you substitute AB. Okay, AB square. Therefore, if you cross multiply, you will get 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. This is what we need to prove. Okay, this is the answer for this question.